Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to place a bracket order on the mobile app of Interactive Brokers. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to place a bracket order in the mobile app of Interactive Broker, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your international broker account. Once you have done this, you need to simply get logged in, or if you're not logged in, then you can simply fill up the application form and get signed in into the account. So you need to open the order ticket for the stock or asset you want to trade, set the quantity and the order type. Once you have done this, you need to set the time in force, often good till cancelled, and attach the bracket order. After this, you need to configure the bracket order as well. Two new order fields will appear, profit taker and stop loss. So select the price for the limit order to close your position profitably, or you can select the type and price for the order to limit your losses. Submit the order and review all the details for the main order and attach brackets in this. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.